Bethany, what's going on?
I just fed the storks some popcorn and all the seagulls too. So like I've made a lot of friends. I think I've made about 100 friends. We're gonna go have to buy some more popcorn because everyone's very hungry, as you can see, and they really want some more. I'm sorry, you guys. That's all I have. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. There's a chick.
Still filming?
I'm very sorry. It's all I have. I'll bring you some more. I'll try. They're very angry. They're not happy because some of them didn't get any. I'm sorry.